Cats, though domesticated for thousands of years, retain a deeply mysterious core to their behavior that often makes them difficult to fully understand, even for the most devoted animal lovers. One recent behavior that continues to intrigue people is cats' apparent fascination with technology. From staring at phones and tablets, to pouncing on printers that suddenly start up, or curling up on a warm laptop, cats appear irresistibly drawn to modern devices in ways that seem more than just casual curiosity. This isn't a coincidence. The reasons behind this feline fascination are multiple, rooted in ethology, neurobiology, animal psychology, and the complex interplay between ancient instincts and today's artificial environment. The first and most obvious factor is the cat's natural response to movement and light. In the wild, cats rely heavily on their sharp vision and ability to detect even the slightest motion to hunt. Bright screens filled with rapidly changing images simulate prey behavior, triggering hunting instincts. A mobile game showing a fluttering insect or a finger scrolling across the screen can provoke chasing, paw tapping, or pouncing, behaviors virtually identical to those used in actual hunting. The cat's brain does not distinguish between a real target and a virtual one when responding to these visual stimuli. This is a deeply embedded neurological response that operates regardless of any awareness of the screen's artificiality. A second, less obvious but powerful factor is heat. Many electronic devices, such as laptops, routers, and phone chargers, emit warmth when in use. Cats, being naturally drawn to warm and soft places, instinctively seek out these cozy spots for rest. This heat-seeking behavior is rooted in energy conservation, which is a fundamental principle for any predatory animal that needs to pace its exertion. A laptop left open becomes an inviting warm bed, not because the cat understands what it is, but because it feels safe, quiet, and comfortable. Social behavior also plays a crucial role in this dynamic. Despite their reputation as solitary animals, cats are extremely attuned to the behavior of their human companions. When they see someone spending a lot of time and focus on a specific object, like a phone or computer, they may interpret that object as important or interesting. This is why a cat might walk across a keyboard, block a monitor, or paw at a phone. It's not just seeking attention, but also reacting to the social cues provided by its owner. In animal behavior science, this kind of imitation or associative response is well documented, especially in pets that form close emotional bonds with humans. Sound is another element not to be overlooked. Electronic devices emit a wide range of sounds, some audible to humans and others in the ultrasonic range, which cats can hear but we cannot. A subtle whirring from a charger, a high-pitched tone from a screen, or even the rhythmic beeping of notifications may be far more stimulating to a cat's sensitive ears than we realize. These auditory signals may trigger curiosity or even low-level stress responses, which in turn prompt investigation, pawing, or heightened alertness. On top of all these instinctual and sensory elements, there is also behavioral adaptation to consider. Cats raised in modern homes, where access to nature is limited, learn to channel their natural hunting drive and curiosity toward the objects available in their environment. Technology, in this context, becomes a form of mental and sensory stimulation. Some cats develop routines around tech devices, waiting for a printer to turn on, watching a phone light up at night, or reacting to keyboard sounds. This kind of learned behavior, or conditioning, is very common in animals and demonstrates how adaptable cats are, even to environments far removed from the wild. Of course, there are situations in which this interaction with technology becomes problematic. Cats may chew on charging cables, accidentally send messages by walking on a keyboard, or become agitated when they can't catch moving images on a screen. Some may even experience frustration or anxiety around loud or unpredictable electronic sounds. For these reasons, animal behaviorists often recommend supervising cats' interactions with devices and limiting exposure if it leads to obsessive or aggressive behavior. Cats' fascination with technology is not strange or inexplicable, it's the result of a complex combination of biological, neurological, and behavioral factors intersecting with the features of the modern world. While cats may not understand what a screen or laptop actually is, they react to its visual motion, warmth, sounds, and human associations in ways that are entirely logical from the standpoint of their instincts. This strange interaction between ancient behavior patterns and the digital age is just one more example of how incredibly adaptable, and endlessly intriguing, cats truly are.